founding fathers of Meghalaya, it was their aspiration to have a winter capital in Tura.
That subject of demanding a winter capital in Tura actually was just a discussion outside the assembly.
What does the demand for a winter capital in Tura entail? Is it merely a political slogan or administrative question?
Our tribe has been ignored, we feel neglected, we feel avoided, we feel deprived of everything.
Feeling that development has been denied in certain parts of the state. I think that is a misconception.
For more than 50 years, we have been patiently waiting that the promise will be fulfilled.
There is no written record that a promise has been made that two capitals will be made for Meghalaya.
We as a Garu community, we are deserve to get winter capital.